Then we test 3/4 turns ratio. It used traditional single-phase power supply. The test result come out phase by phase. First F phase result come out, and then the BC phase, and then the CA phase, which is traditional single-phase power supply test method. So test time of 3/4 turns ratio is slightly longer than the test time of 3-phase voltage ratio test. The up phase test result come out. And now BC phase result come out. And now all 3 phase result come out. The result can also be stored. You can also print. We generally recommend 3-phase voltage ratio for testing in the field. Then, single-phase transformer test. We use the high voltage side up test clamp and low voltage side up test clamp to connect correspondingly to the terminal of high voltage side and low voltage side of single-phase transformer. And then let's do a demonstration because this is a 3-phase transformer. Single-phase transformer has 2 conducting rods on HV side and LV side respectively. First, just connect the wire correctly, and then test it. Before testing the single-phase transformer, enter this parameter setting as well, set according to the actual transformer ratio value of tested transformer. After setting, then do the test. The transformer manual is not used here now. If need to test the top transformer at site, also use 3-phase voltage ratio interface to do test. Standby option, and then the historical data can help us to recheck the previously stored data. Also can be printed out. You can also use a USB drive to export the data. Transformer ratio tester field test presentation is basically over. Then, if at site there are abnormal conditions or large errors, we can perform instrument self-test. ABC phase of high voltage side and low voltage side need to be connected correctly. Test clamp of high voltage side A and low voltage side A are short-circuited. Watch carefully. This side is with wire. This side is also with wire. We short-circuit the wired side like this. Check to make sure the short-circuit connection is good, then hang up. B phase. Short-circuit connection, hung up. Phase C. We make sure the wired side and wired side are short-circuit connected well. During self-test, the rated transformer ratio of the instrument is 1. Then in the parameter settings, set the rated transformer ratio to 1. The total tapping number is set to 1, then quit. 3-phase voltage ratio test was performed. Now we can see the test result. When do self-test, the rated voltage ratio is 1. Actual test result is basically 1. Error is very small. Angle is also fine. So instrument self-test is qualified. There is no problem. You can test with the instrument. Presentation of operation of instrument is finished now.
Thank you for watching the tutorial video prepared by HV Hipot Tester.